Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Bluebeam Revu 21 on your Windows PC or laptop. Bluebeam Revu is a powerful software used for PDF editing, digital markup, and team collaboration, especially in construction and architecture. And the best part is, you can explore all features completely free during the trial period. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Bluebeam Revu. In the search results, click the link that says Bluebeam Download Center. It's usually the first result. I'll also leave the link in the video description to make it easier. On the download page, click Download for Desktop to begin downloading the installer. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. The setup window will appear. Select your preferred language and click Install. The installation process will take a few moments. When it's done, click Finish. To launch Bluebeam Revu, open the Start menu, search for Bluebeam Revu, and click Open. Accept the license agreement to continue. On the first launch, you'll be asked to sign in or create a Bluebeam ID. If you don't have one yet, simply click Create Account and follow the steps. This will activate your free trial. After you sign in, Revu will open, and you'll be able to start working with your PDFs and project markups right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the free trial of Bluebeam Revu 21 on your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting me know which tutorial you'd like to see next.